So here we are at the Hobbiton Hobbit town, and we're going to go see the Hobbit movie set. So I'm told that 80% of the tourists that come here are Americans that visit this Hobbiton movie set, Jason tells me. So we're going to go on this tour, and once we get done, we're going to have some lunch down by the Dragon, I guess is what they call it, and experience this. So it's going to be an interesting day. It's beautiful scenery here. So here we go. 22,000 people a day come to this experience. So here we are, and it's an organized tour.
So in this area, we have 4 hobbit houses with the 2 big ones over there, 2 smaller ones right here. So in total on this journey for you guys, you will be able to see 44 hobbit houses. Within 2 of them, you're going to be invited to go inside later on to have a look by yourself. That will be happening on the second half of the tour. Now, we're going to be staying here for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'll give you guys about 2 to 3 minutes to grab your free photos. Cider, ginger beer, and also the cider. Enjoy.
Thank you, Peter. You did a wonderful trip today. Thank you so much. A true professional in every sense of the word.
Thank you, sir.
How many tours have you given?
Normally I do 2 to 3. It depends. As I've been here 5 years. So
And you've been here 5 years. You must really enjoy it.
Yeah, I will still enjoy it. I enjoy the part which I can see different people from all parts of the world. That's the thing. I still enjoy that. So one of the big reasons why I'm still here
Is what?
is like to see people from different parts of the world.
And you meet different people, parts of the world.
Yes.
But mostly Americans, a lot of Americans coming.
Yes, like we got a lot of people from the States, from Canada, from South America as well, Europe, Asian
All over the
countries,
world.
all over from Arabic, and even some people, there's a small group from South Africa. So
Well, here's some fans from California. Thank you so much.
California pine trees, my friend, over there.
Thank you so much.
All good, all good. 2 houses, they're designed by the same conceptual artists from United Cinema back to States. Now you're going to be seeing the feeling going accordingly by the description of the movie screen. Now, should I introduce friends on this side to Miss Kirsten over there?
Hello, Kirsten.
Alright, so enjoy your next 15 minutes with Kirsten, and I will be seeing you guys at the exit. Okay? Do not miss me too much. Alright,
Thank you.
friends on this side.
Alright, hi everyone. Come on in.
Now, if you are get outside,
You're welcome.
Mr. Alexander, who made the deal with Warner Brothers, I said, told them that he wanted them to build the sets more permanent than temporary, as most movie sets are. And Warner Brothers and the producer made that agreement, and now he's turned it into a tourist attraction that's going on 20 years. And he has 2 sons. One son operates the Hobbiton movie business tourist attraction, and the other son operates their 1,200, or I believe 1,200 plus acre farm, which has dairy and sheep on it. And Mr. Alexander, who made the original deal with the movie theaters, is still alive and enjoying his very prosperous business and enjoying his New Zealand farming lifestyle at the same time. So it's a great story. all the way around. So can't wait to share this with you. I'm sure a lot of people have already seen it, but here we go.
I was adventure tour guide in Australia.
Australia on the north end, in the Northern Territory.
Exactly, up in Darwin. And in
Hey, we just went to Darwin, and we just loved Darwin, and I want to go back. Do you know Finnis River?
I sure do.
Yeah, we went to Finnis River. Was a wonderful experience there. Met the girls, met everybody there.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, this is going to be a future situation that we're going to be going on. We're the Road Train Hotel, and you are now being awarded my favorite medal.
Thank you very much. I love it.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. That's so exciting.
Have you ever got a medal?
I have not got one of these medals, and I'm very excited about that.
I've completely recorded this whole thing, and I'm going to put it together. So why don't you say hello to the people that are going to be experiencing your tour on YouTube?
Right, so if you choose to visit Hobbiton, definitely join one of the morning ones where give you a bit of luxury to enjoy, less crowd, beautiful sunshine, or maybe if you choose to come here in the summertime, the chance to see the sunrise, a bit of the sunrise, and also do not forget to try to enjoy the drinks provided in the Green Dragon and try some snacks.
Peter, you are amazing, and I want to thank you so much. Very wonderful. So we've got strawberries today and a nice fresh loaf of oat bread, a little bit of grain, and some cheese. So welcome to Hobbit Village, and thank you for watching.